How to manage categories of data on Opera Mini. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage categories of data on Opera Mini. First thing I'm gonna do is go to Opera Mini and then click this Opera icon here, and now click settings and then click this one, data collection, and here you will find this categories of data we may process, and here you can manage anything you want, like turn this one off, general interests or general new topics based on articles you read in the news feed, or this one precise location, turn anything on or off. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.